Hi everyone, it's Tamara and I am so excited to do my easy breezy warm-up routine with you today. This is just a mini little workout which you can use at any time. Please note, this is no replacement for a vocal teacher. If you have a vocal teacher, they will custom make warm-ups that suit your voice. This is just a general one for a range roughly in the sort of G4 up until your F6 and maybe a little bit higher than that. I'm not sure yet. So feel free to join me in singing today. All right, everyone, we are going to start with a hum. When we are humming, we are warming up our vocal cords. So our lips come together, but our teeth should stay apart. You should not be singing a hum like this, because that is a lot of tension on that jawline. So we're going to start on an A for today. We're going to lips together, teeth apart. Nice and rich. You're not forcing your sound. Move on to an ooh sound. Our lips are in a nice O shape, ooh, and our teeth are apart. We should have a gap between that. So it shouldn't be ooh, it should be ooh, you were dropping your jaw. So we're going to go, let's start on A again. And we're going to do fifth slide, so it sounds like this. I want you to bring back the sound a little less volume. Don't belt it up there, okay? This is a warm-up. This is only to warm ourselves up. We are not going on the full marathon yet. So bring back the volume just a touch as you go higher. Chin up. Now I could feel my voice kicking just a little bit because I hadn't really worked on that higher area yet. So if that happens, I'm gonna just do some sirens. Sirens sound wackadoodle, but you will really work out your voice and it really helps place the sound. So join me in making a ridiculous sound. We're gonna do sirens. Woo! Go back to that ah vowel that we were doing before. Ah! Great, excellent. I want to stay with the vowels again, so we are going to do an E-O sound. I love this warm-up because we used to do this in my old singing classes when I was a little kid, and I do love this one. So it goes like this. It's an arpeggio, which is tend to work on our articulators. If I was American, I would say that. Or in Australia, I would say articulators. We are working on those. I'm going to do a no sound, so do a couple of those. No. And we are going to go on this pattern. No. Now I'm starting to kick on that top note, so I'm going to go back one. Let's do it again. Let's calm down, not force the air so much. Let's go back. No. That is a mini workout for you to use at your disposal. Of course, as I said before, it does not replace a teacher, but hey, if you don't have a teacher and you just want a little bit of guidance, some warm-ups, some general warm-ups, this is a great little workout for you. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Happy singing.